So guys, welcome to a room tour. This is our room. And this is the door, the entrance door. This is the entrance door when you walk in, and onto the right area we have a table, a tea area. Speaking of, I'm going to make tea and I'm going to drink some tea. So this is a kettle, a tea tray, and we have complimentary water. We have our toiletries, deodorants, laptop files, mouse, snack, owashirike or roasted corn, and we have a lamp. Where did they even turn on the lamp from? Here's the lamp on the decks, and this is a table / work surface, and it has this drawer, a sliding drawer, and we have this refrigerator in here. It has all our snacks / mail. Anything we want is in there. Our fridge is pretty empty because we've kind of consumed all we came with, so we're going to go for more grocery shopping. Moving on to here, we have this blank beautiful space.
Do you have work to do?
This is the bed area, and this is a floating shelf and the landline, all right, for phone calls, calling the reception, the kitchen, our AC remote control, and our TV remote control. And we have this beautiful bed. Before we go into the bed, let's talk about this. This is something that attracted me to the room. It's so cute. It's just a careless painting, but the colors are all coordinating and it's turning out into one beautiful art piece. So tell me what you think about this decor. All right, and this now heading to the headboard. This is the headboard, very soft. Here is our bed, and this our bed is a queen size bed. All right, it has 2 throw pillows and 2 pillows extra. I love pillows on the bed, you guys know. So here is our queen size bed, super big. All right, I have my cousins and my sister in the room, so I don't want to show their face. I will show his face, his pressing phone, and we're just getting ready. The whole place looks somehow. All right, and that is another floating, let me pass. And that is another floating shelf, and it has my handbag, and this handbag has all my equipment, my phone chargers, tripod, other things I am carrying out on a regular. All right, so I came with this bag, and here is some switch for the lamps. There's the lamp, and when you turn it on, that one comes on. When you turn it off, it comes off, so it goes off. So here is the shelf. I'm currently charging my power bank. Here is a sliding drawer as well. So that's basically what is here, what is happening here. And we come over to the space, a very empty space. All right, and we have the window. Next is the window and the blinds. I'm trying to open this thing up because I want you guys to see. So there is a window that literally brings light and life into the room. Not life per se, because we are still enjoying ourselves even when the blinds are wind up. So this is the view from our room, and we have the swimming pool view down there. That's a swimming pool area down there. It's such a refreshing place to be. I love heights. Same time, I'm afraid of heights. I'm not going to fall, God forbid. Hey, so here's the blinds. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cover up these blinds because we don't want that light now. Okay, so the blinds are covered up, and to the right we have the AC. Our Panasonic AC is making us feel good in the room, and we have this chair. Stop wrapping that in now, put it fast. We have this chair that's supposed to be in the work space, but it's right here. My sister has her bag on it, and we have this beautiful decor here that houses the television set. All right, you're watching Showcase, African Magic Showcase, and African Magic movies, Nigerian movies, okay. And then here we have extra sockets, extra circuits for charging, and we have extra circuits for charging, and another circuit that connects with the TV sets. Okay, we have this switch here that illuminates the room, and yeah, and the toilet. So this switch is for the toilet and this dress up area, and we have a water heater, and the water heater is for the bathroom, as you guys will see when I show you the bathroom. And this is the door to the bathroom. We have this massive wardrobe. I don't know why they forgot to clean this fingerprints. I want to think they cleaned it up, but as we just got back, we already made a mess. So pardon that fingerprint. This is the mirror, a full length mirror. You see your full outfit, what you look like in the mirror, and I look just so gorgeous. I don't know that I can be this gorgeous, so I don't know. So when you walk in, this is the toilet door, and to the right we have a sink. All right, this is the sink, that's the tap, and we have this mirror. Okay, it has this we have this mirror in the bathroom, and it has a lamp, so cute. It just, you know, illuminates the whole place when you are brushing. Like, you see the light, it's actually so good. Okay, so here is the sink, and they give us complimentary water, and a glass, I don't know, and a toilet soap, and all of those good stuff. And here we have a towel, a fresh towel here on the closet head, and we have a mirror. The mirror opens up, you can actually see me in the mirror. Mirror opens up and it closes up again. I don't know. Closes up again, so I'm going to put it back there in this place. I don't want to use the mirror, so it's just going to stay there. All right, and here we have a blow dryer for right now when I'm just coming out from the shower, and my hair is super, and put it back there. And we have, this is the toilet seat. Here is the sink area. This is the sink area. It's a glass sink area with sliding doors. Okay, you see that? The sliding doors. And this is the interior of the bathtub. That's the bathtub, and I have my sponge, my soaps, my sister's sponge, and it has two shower heads. It has the detachable shower head, and it has this standstill shower head. And we have this small window which has some of our soaps that we use to take our shower. It's pretty dark in here, and so that's our soap, and this whole space is vacant. All right, it's just vacant. And did I mention that we have a water heater up there? That's a water heater. It heats up the water, so we always have a warm bath anytime we want. And we have this rack here, this rack that just holds my face towel and female panties. I don't want to take you guys to that point. And yeah, it's just the tissue paper holder, the tissue paper dispenser / holder, and yeah, we have a toilet dustbin. All right, that's a toilet dustbin, and we are back to the door. So that's pretty much what this toilet looks like, a bathroom / toilet looks like. And I just love so much that we're giving a hair dryer, a hand dryer. So now my hair is wet, I'm coming back from the pool, I'm dripping wet, I can dry up my hair with that hair dryer. I love that it has a sink light so that you can you know, illuminate the area where you're brushing. I love the sink setup. It's just, everything is just so cute in here. I really love how everything is in here. And that's me in the mirror. You guys, can you guys see me in the mirror? That's me in the mirror. Back to this open area, nothing really going on there, and we are back to the exit door. Right, we are back to the exit door. Now I get. So cute. This is a 360 of what our room looks like. There's a 360 of what our room looks like. This is what our room looks like.
To shine, oh, show me what you can do. The way my hands feel